My name is Mim. I'm from Melbourne, originally from Bangladesh, and I did my master's in business back home. And I was a banker for 7 years there, and migrated here in Melbourne a year ago to do my own business. From childhood till now, I want to be my own boss. I hate to have boss in my life, because so always I wanted to do something by my own and do my own business. We feel confident to talk to them because they are more disciplined and organized, and they give us the guaranteed income, which actually impressed us, which other company didn't give us. Yeah. So that's why we are coming to the Better One Cleaning. Training is awesome. They give us all information, all in the practical knowledge and everything with the apps and everything. So it's good. It's really good. So all we need to do the physically and practically. So we will be expertising on this. 5 years from now, obviously growing, much growing. Why don't I say the Better One Cleaning owner, Manish Khanna's dancer, I will see myself there.